Hello guys, this is Reese from Bommarito St. Peter's Volkswagen in St. Louis. Today I'm bringing you a 2021 Volkswagen Atlas Cross Sport SEL Premium R-Line in pure gray with dark burgundy leather interior. This one features the 21-inch alloy R-Line wheels, piano black and chrome accents around the air intakes on the front grille or front bumper down below the grille, the three-line grille setup just like all the other Atlas Cross Sports. This is a 2021. That does also have those LED running lights, LED headlights, and LED all-weather lights. Keyless entry on 4 doors. Also, you have body-colored paint below the chrome line at the base of the doors. The Cross Sport badge on the side front driver's door and the front passenger side door. Body-colored paint below the chrome line on the back bumper as well. That leads into the faux exhaust tips. We just got this car from another dealer. This is for a customer out of state. We will be changing that to the Bommarito nameplate, of course. Chrome accents around the windows. Really dig these wheels and this front end. Those are my two favorite things. Those are 21-inch alloy wheels, and it says Cross Sport right there on the side. Let's take a look inside. Dark burgundy on the door padding right here, and also the inset with the premium stitching. Black hard plastic right here with the one touch up, one touch down, and the silver tips here on the windows there. Power folding mirrors, power lift gate down below. Here's a look at that two-tone burgundy and black seat with the bold white stitching right here. 3-seat memory, lumbar support here, forward and back here, and then the seat back adjust right there. This stitching goes up the bolster and behind the back right here. It's a manual adjust headrest as well. As we climb in here, there's a look at Volkswagen's digital cockpit right there. You can actually change between views here. You can change between the widescreen, the crop screen, and the dial screen right there. I personally like the widescreen. You do also have, and I purposely have music playing in the background here so you can hear wireless CarPlay, or in this case Android Auto playing. There's a look at your vent setup there. It's just the flat finish, flat silver finish right here with a little bit of piano black right here. Here's a look at the door panel. Carbon fiber type finish right here with flat silver here. Fender premium audio. And then this power lift gate, I can just lift up on that guy right there. And it does open the back hatch. And then I can also lift up on that and close that. And I also can do that from the front driver's seat without getting out of the car. So if I'm doing contactless pickup, I can do those as well. Okay, so over here on the radio, we do have wireless Android Auto playing right now. This is my phone charging down here wirelessly with a Mophie case on it even. I have a Mophie on mine and it still charges through that. And a Mophie, yes, it's a battery pack, but the wireless charging works through that with it face up right there. I do also have 2 USB-C connections right there and a 12-volt charger port right there. On this radio here, there's the wireless charger kicking in. This is wireless Android Auto, so I can just push that right there. It's playing it from that phone down there that's sleeping. There it is, YouTube music playing on here. Pretty nice that I can do that. I can go back to the map as well. I have Google Maps here. I also have the onboard navigation here. Other changes, there aren't any real changes to the 2021. The storage bin right here is the same. Piano black, the carbon fiber finish right here in the glove box. This is the big change. There's no CD player in the glove box now. Also, there's no SD card reader. However, you do still have SD card holders there. And then here's your manuals right here. There's a look at that door right there. Fender premium audio. Okay, and then up here, giant panoramic sunroof with a power sunshade. Very nice. All 5 passengers, 2 up front, 3 in the back, are going to be under glass. This does open up. Just push that little lever right there. This first section slides back and stacks on top of the second. Pop-up windscreen right there. Very, very nice. This one does have the edgeless mirror, the auto dimming, and the digital compass right here. So you got 3-door garage door memory right there. You do also have a vanity mirror right here with an LED light above. You have that on both sides. And what I really like on the Cross Sport, the black headliner. Absolutely love that. There's a look around. And also you will have rain sensing wipers and lane assist on this car. So cruise control is right here on the steering wheel. So I can turn that on. And then I can set it using the plus or minus right here. So I can adjust that speed, or I can drive to the speed and then hit set. Also travel assist. I can do that right here. That is my lane assist. And then my volume control is all right here for stereo, Bluetooth, and also navigation. Over here is my song skip. Heated steering wheel is right up here. So there's a lot of features packed into this guy. Let's take a look at the back seat. Oh, and I do have CarNet free for 5 years right there. That's my roadside assistance. That's also emergency services and information. So this car comes in, looks like the window sticker fell off the window here. This comes in at $52,570. Extras are going to include the MDO package for $760, if you can see that, which includes monster mats, the heavy-duty trunk liners, cargo blocks, privacy cover, and the auto-dimming mirror. Also, for $195, this actually has prepaid maintenance for up to 3 years, so you got the 3 years of free maintenance. It gives you a grand total of $52,570. As we climb in here, I'm going to move this up here. There's a look at that door inset for the back passenger doors as well. They get the premium stitching as well, and the dark burgundy color here. Your rear passengers do get their own sunshade back here. So you have that on each side for the rear passengers. That's only on the SEL Premium. It doesn't come on any other trim. So I'm going to move this window sticker up front. Oh, and I failed to mention, guys, these seats are heated and ventilated. Both of the front seats are heated and ventilated. The rear seats are heated. The rear outboard seats. The middle seat in the back is not. So there's a look at the heated seats and the ventilated seats right there. You do also have air care. Air care is probably not going to work. It used to not work with the windows open. Let's see if we can activate it. Yep, door, window, or sunroof is open, so it's not going to work. But that's your air filtration system. It's actually going to filter out pollutants and allergens out of the air before circulating it in the cabin. So once I shut this, the blue line should start and it will spread. It lets you know that it's filtering out the air before it circulates it in the cabin. Also, with this climate control, they changed it now for 2021 where it's split in half. You have a front section and you touch it again, and then you have your rear section. Pretty cool that it does that too. This armrest right here, lots of storage in there. I have a folder in there. This is the customer's car, so I have their file folder in here. But there's your storage right there. So this car is going to be sold, but I can get one for you. This young lady was waiting for a car at her home area, and she was not able to get one located for her, and her ordered car was taking a little bit long, so we actually found one for her. Heated rear seats back here as well, just like that. So you have heated rear seats. Here's a look at those seats back here too. They're also leather. They're also perforated, but they're not ventilated. Armrest right here with a cup holder in the middle. There you go. Adjustable headrest there. There's a look up at that giant panoramic sunroof. So you got all of this space. Very, very nice. All right, so let's take a look at the back hatch. There's a look at those 21-inch wheels again. Very nice there as well. LED taillights, IQ light, and there's your side marker light. It'll say SEL V6 on the rear, and between the T and the L, as you lift that up, there's a look through to the back. That giant panoramic sunroof. 5 seats, 5 passengers comfortably in this guy, and still all of this cargo space for luggage and travel. If you guys like to travel, maybe a couple of couples like to travel somewhere, a weekend trip or something, this is a great car to take on a weekend trip. Just the 4 of you go off to South Carolina, to Hampton, something like that. I mean, it's pretty cool. You do also have this carved out area here, incandescent bulbs back here in the back. They're the only incandescent bulbs in the car. Everything else is LED. Down here beneath the floor, there's a look at the subwoofer. It's a quick release subwoofer. And then you also have your spare tire right there as well. Cargo cover right here in the back. And then cargo blocks right there. These seats will fold down flat as well. They do drop down about 2 inches below this floor right here, but they do fold flat as well. And you have a power assisted lift gate, just like that. Tow hitch is going to be standard. On the SEL Premium, you will need a 7-pin adapter. There's a look at that oversized reflector on the back as well. Such a good looking car. Very good looking car. This car will come with a 4-year, 50,000 mile bumper to bumper warranty on it from Volkswagen. That's 4 years, 50,000 miles, bumper to bumper. 2 years of free maintenance are baked into this car, baked into the warranty. So you can use that in any dealer in the US. Also, if you buy from me at Bomb Radio St. Peter's, we're going to give you a 3rd year of free maintenance as well. This particular car has a third year of prepaid maintenance on it. That is not the norm. However, this car has it. So this car will have that even if you bought it from out of town. You will still get 3 years of free maintenance. So if you're interested in this car or any car like this car, give me a call, 636-290-4257. I'm also on Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, and Twitter at Reese Sells Cars. Thanks a lot, guys. Stay safe, stay healthy. Oh, and keep in mind, this car will give you a 10-year, 200,000 mile nationwide engine and powertrain warranty free of charge as well. Any new Volkswagen that you buy from me gets a 10-year, 200,000 mile engine and powertrain warranty free of charge. Thanks a lot, guys. Stay safe, stay healthy. Have a great day.